Good morning, class 7. Today we will start our geography lesson 1 environment. We have already done our history lesson 1. Now today we will start our geography lesson 1 environment. So we will first see what is mean by environment. Environment is people, place, thing and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. So people, place, thing, nature surrounded anything means if we are surrounded by people, place, thing and nature, that is our environment. So environment means all the things which by which we are surrounded. Okay, so there are three kinds of environment, that is called the components of environment. There are three components of environment. First is human made, second is natural, and third is human itself. So you are having the chart of these component of environment in your book also. See in that, first is component of environment, first is human made. So in this human made environment you have buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. These are the human made environment which humans have been made, like buildings, parks made by human, bridges made by human, roads made by human, monuments made by human, industries made by human. All these are the human made environment. Next is natural environment. Natural environment is air, water, land, living things. All these which nature has given us, that is the natural environment. So all these two things I hope you understand, natural environment and human made environment. Natural environment are the things which nature has given us, like air, water, land, living things, and human made environments are park, buildings, bridges, roads, monuments, industries. Now for using all these things, there are different, one more environment is there, which is human environment, which human has made by their own. And for all these things, to use all these things, humans are very important. So humans environment is the different thing which are the human environment. So remember students, there is a difference between human made environment and human made environment are the non living things which humans have been made, but human environment is a living beings, humans itself. So in human environment there is individual, one person, their family, community, religions, different religions, education means school, college, institutes, economic means related to money, and political situation means all politics. So all this the environment which we are living, between which we are living in natural environment, we are living in human made environment, and we are living all this society, religion, political situation, economic institution, educational institution. All these are also a part of our environment. So these diagram I want in your geography copy, in your interleaf page, and the notes which I will give. Other notes I will give tomorrow. Today, these I hope you have understand this video. So please make this diagram in your copy, interleaf page, and this definition of environment also you have to write in your line page. So practical copy of course you have made for geography. Make a diagram, write the notes. Thank you.